Only bangers who drop, you know.
Hello people, welcome to News Adventure where we cook good food, explore new places, go on new adventures. It's a vibe. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to leave a like.
Remember to subscribe, you know. Yes, people, they are back. The next video, you know. Today, in this video, we are going to catch some fish. We are going to do some line fishing. So basically, what we are going to do is a local survival. If we don't catch nothing, we not eat today. So, you know, so we have to catch something today. We have to catch something as eat. So if we don't catch nothing today, we not eat nothing. You know, so we have to work hard in the idea. In the evening at least, you know. So yeah, that is what we are going to do today. And thing is here with the Folly Oval. We are going to wheel around at the back part, you know. So if we don't catch nothing today, we're not going to eat nothing at all. So you know, so if you catch you want local fish, you know, and put him on a fire so you can roast up, you know, that is it. So just stay tuned and watch me. Right now, I walk up and I look on nice spot. Who needs it? That is it, my people them. So guess what? Just stay tuned. Only bangers who drop, you know. You know. You know, you see it, so we just there. And we walk around nice spot. You see it, as you can see. We're on the Folly Oval and thing. I don't know normal today, man. Lone bangers. Lone bangers. That is it, my people. So just stay tuned and think. Out here without fear. That is it. You know. We just stay here, you know. So just catch me when we reach on the spot. That is it. Yes. Here we there again. Soon reach by the spot, people, so just stay tuned, you know. So yeah, the right side lighthouse. Near the lighthouse we are going, you know, so you know, it's not a normal video in the idea, you know. That is it, the people them. And thing, you know, so we're just there. As I said, we are going to do some line fishing. We don't know where we are catching the idea, but anything we catch, I feel that you see. So just stay tuned. We're there upon the lighthouse place in Portland. Can make you get a look at this lighthouse. You see on the video the lighthouse thing right there, so. You see it. So as you can see, Folly Lighthouse. That is it, you know. And this I look at history about it. You see it. That is it, the people them. Loading bananas, Port Antonio. You see this that I the lighthouse. As you can see, this is a newly updated photo. This is the old photo, this is a newly updated photo, you know. This is all of the history about the lighthouse, the Folly Lighthouse in a Port Antonio. So yeah, that is it for people them. So guess what, we are going on the spot right now. Sure no. You know. That is it for people. As we say, You know, not new to the spot because I know first me I come on the spot, you know. There be a jelly in a tree. Jelly full in a tree, people. So here we there. We see a lot of jelly, a lot of tree, a lot of greens, you know, because they say Jamaica, land of food and water. So you see it, you have a whole heap of greens and things. Plus you see beautiful, me I tell you people. Yeah man, something else I go for a mile look spot now. Me always go see it. So yeah, that is it. There we are doing it. Yeah man, that is it my people then. Water look calm and nice in idea. Yeah man. Like me alone there on the spot here. In idea. That is it. Is it. As you can see, we have a local pool area here, so. And we have the sea over there, so see more. You know, that is it. Just there and I do it phone, you know. That is it, people. Yes, people, so there, just reach on the spot, you know. Just reach on the local spot, I'm going to show you what in my bag. So today we just have a knife, a cutting board, some shrimp, and the line them. So anything we catch, you know we have to eat that. I will have a lighter. We have seasoning. So yeah, so any fish we catch, that we have to eat today in the video. So as I say, we are doing a survival video in the idea. And thing is it. We are alone there on the spot in my bag. So as you can see already, we have my line. This is my local small rod. You know. We have, as I say, we have cutting board, mic, and the knife. You know. And we have a couple line in our bag, same way. We have shrimp, and we have the line them same way, you know. So that is it for people them. So yeah, that is it. So that is what we have today, plus the seasoning them. We have a couple seasons, some island spice. So anything we catch, you know, it have a nice idea. You know, that is it. So we're there and we are doing it. So just stay tuned. You know. So guess what? We are going to put the hook them on the line. Or we have hook to everything, you see. We put the hook them on the line. Then we throw out the line and see what we catch in idea, you know. That is it. We want them on a look of survival. Anything we catch, that me have to eat in idea, you know. That is it. So just stay tuned. Lone bangers. Lone bangers. That is it. We do it every day and we are doing it phone. You know, that is it for people them. You know. Yes people, check in. So now we are get the line them sort out. We're going to put the hook on the line because you know so be a niceness. The one that already have hook on it. You know that is it. So we're going to test the water. You see it? We're going to test the water now with this and then we'll come back. And if we get no pick, we'll come back and set up the other line, you know. So guess what? Stay tuned. You know, I'll be a niceness man. That is it. So we are going to set up the line here now. We are going to put the bait on it, which is we have some shrimp, you know. We have some shrimp. See there? Yeah, man, we have some shrimp in idea. So we are going to give some slice, just like that. And we are going to see what go on for the waters. You know, we are going to put the hook on it. We are going to put the bait on it just like this. You know, that is it, see there? And then guess what? We are going to dash this in the water here now. Just journey with me. You see, just do journey with me. Until we dash this water. And see what I go on for the waters. Most likely me have to go put on my mic. Because the water the water gonna make whole heap of nice in the background. So you see the water nice in there, people. That is it, man. And we're there. And we are doing it for you. So guess what, we're gonna throw up the line right now and see what I go and feed, you know. Most likely maybe make it something, you know. So just stay tuned and see that. So yeah, there we are doing it. There we are doing it. So just like, comment, share the video, and most definitely never subscribe. You see it, because we are doing it for you. We're there every day, we're there every day, and we are doing it for you. You see it? That is it. So just stay tuned. Boom. Yeah, so we don't get nothing yet. We are feeling a whole heap of pick. We don't get nothing yet. So guess so just stay tuned. Something I have to pick up today, you know. I have to pick up. So just stay tuned. We're going to dash out line again and set up more line and things. So just stay tuned. We're there and we are doing it. You have to know. You there. Yeah, people are be pick me and feel me, I tell you. I wish me they have been on the island. Man, fish they active out there, so. No joke. They are people and we are beat. Fish they active people, so guess what? I left your phone right there, so fish active and drying something phone, you know. That is it.
crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe inside lovers? It's deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
But I know I'm not catching yeah, I was still a go. Yeah guys, I know I'm not catching up, you know. But we not give up now. Nah, give up now, you know. Cause whole heap of pick we are feel out there. So we are gonna set up back our next line and thing. Something like this, you know. We are set up back our next line. We are set up 2 lines at least. That's it. I'll fling out again. We're gonna set 1 and set up 1. So go on, you see it? So we just there. And we are doing it same way. So as I say, if I don't catch nothing, I'm dead for hungry in the idea. Yeah, people. And again, big up J-Bud, you know. And Colors and the whole team. That is it. So we are set up back the line again. Because fish just bite you and bossy. So you know, see another normal fish out there. Yeah man, another normal fish out there, man. So we do it, you know, we swing it so like you can hook it on somewhere and we don't call that like when you have braid here, you just see get it nice and tight. So just stay tuned. We are doing it same way, you know. That is it. You know. We don't tear every day for you know. So just like, subscribe, comment, and share out the video same way, you know. Share to your cat, your rat, your sat, your uncle, your father, your sister, your brother, your mother, your grandmother, your great grandmother. Your great grandmother, you know. As the Kenny always I say, that is it. You know. So guys, stay tuned. Catch me when I back out on the seaside and I show the line, you know. That is it. You know. People, so I have on the mic, you know, so you must hear me clearly, you know. So yeah, we have got the short line again. You know, we have 2 more lines, you know. You know, that is it. We have 2 more lines and one thing. We have one we are going to set, one we are going to keep in a way, you know. So we are going to throw up one right now. And see what we go on. And set it, we are going to throw you out and set it. That is it. Right now, I'm hungry people, so me would mind catch one as we throw out this. I'm hungry like dog, me I tell you. Alright, so the one We are gonna set the one here. That's how we are gonna set. And this now, you know, if you can see it. This now we are keeping our yarn, you know. Yes, so that is it. There how we are doing spoon, you know. So just stay tuned and think. That is it. As I say, I have to catch one today. I have to catch done. Yeah, big hungry in idea. Good people, so there how we are doing phone, you know. Now, if you not pick as yet, you can show yourself fish in the water because you come here, when you come here first, you come here, do you pick me a feel. So you can assure yourself fish there in the water, you know. Yeah, more while some of them shy. They have some shy fish too, you know. Like how human shy, same some fish shy, same way. You have to be there for a good look while you have to be there for. Then I go see them pick up. But you have to give them time to get used to the bait first. All of that, because you know we are used to shrimp. So you have to give them time to get used to the bait and all of that, you know. And sometimes when you hook on the water, sometimes you look a small fish, pick you up same way, you know. And then bait out, the bait I go come off the line, and sometimes you not go know. Wow, as they say people there, feel them, you know, feel them a pick up. Not at all. As I say more like the fish they shy, you know. Fish they shy more like. You know we are using shrimp as bait. The man we are using shrimp as bait. You know, if you know fish, and you're a fisherman, you know say fish love them shrimp, you know. Just like how Jamaicans or any other people that go a restaurant and order them curry shrimp and all of that. Same so the fish they love them shrimp. You know. So yeah, so we have to give them what they love, you know. That is it. So we have two line out there. We have one line out there already. Now we are going to throw the other one and see. As we say, we are doing a look survival fishing. If you don't catch nothing, we not eat. You know, we not eat nothing. So you just stay tuned to it, you know. That is it. Line of stuff. A whole heap of big rock on the water and people. Fish probably there. A full on the water. The line them Line them bones is stuck more while. That's why you have to keep them in your hand so they're not stuck. So if a fish pick on, you know say, as them pick on you can just draw them up a week or sometimes you pick on and go under some rock. Then you stuck your line same way just like you know. Guys, as you can see this bus it's like it's a salt day today. But nevertheless we not give up. We not give up, you know. We not give up what we did. Can't give up. And we are feel pick. How if we give up when we are feel pick them people? Huh? Can't give up. Holy. Hey, the one they get me by an inch. Bring on up closer to me. So we have we have a soldier cab right there, so. And we are bringing up closer to me, is it? Mm-hmm. That is it. Sure, you can hear me. Clean and clear. We have the mic. Why people come like me bad lucky today? Like me bad lucky, y'all know me not get one. You feel the pick them in a but it's like a some local fish. Cause when you feel them, they nasty can. You know they wear the people. Boom, but see them did they no man. But they now pick on the line. Only thing them a do, they just a picky line. They just a picky bait and something. I wonder if the bait not set on good for the line or what. Or maybe I think that water, you know, current. When the water go up and down, the bait come off. That me a see. Yeah man. Boom, boom. No sir. The start man. Come like the start Nigeria. Maybe a soldier crab they want. Why people come like the start Nigeria. But we nah give up. How if we give up? Remember say fishing take patience now. Like when you dive and you know you can pick and choose which fish you want and all of that, you know. Also, I look like a small local fish. Like a small local fish, I pick there. You see, alright, so you know, if you throw enough far away, you know, because the whole of you so deep, you know. Hey, what kind of pick that the soil ago? Hey, you see, if you don't catch none of so today, hold on, people, you get back to me here, cause I get back to me. Is it? Anytime you catch one, yeah, I'm make you know. That is it. Alright, yes, people, so trying to see face, you know, say, oh, nothing no go on today. I tell you, the company see, besides say, oh, I catch some fish. We are looking survival video, but nothing no go on. We nothing no go on today and things, so guess what? We still get a local video. If we do nothing no go on for me today, we still get a local video for you, you know. So guess what? Just stay tuned. More bangers coming. So just stay tuned. We're out here every day. And thing, you know, just subscribe, like, comment, and share. Oh, the video is it. That is it. You know where you go. So yeah, so we just head out there now. Just catch me in another video and thing, you know. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Main thing. That is it. We out.